Hello, dear students. Welcome back to the second unit. We will start with again comprehension lessons. So, the second unit, first lesson is chapter 7. So, the title of the lesson is Ashanti, an African tribe. This tribe lives in central Ghana. It's an African country, about 70 years old. So, a very new country, a little bit like India. India is 73 years old and this is 70 years. The capital of Ghana is Kumasi. This Ashanti is a major ethnic group of Akans. So this is some introduction about this tribal group Ashanti. We will learn something more interesting about this tribal group. According to this tribe, the boy inherits the soul or spirit of the father, which is known in their language, Notro. And the girl receives, or both of them children, boy and girl, they receive, in the first part also, both the children receive their soul from the father and flesh and blood from the mother. Okay. So, the children are more attached to the mother and they consider to be belonging to the clan of the mother because they are receiving the flesh and blood from the mother. The boys are taught the skills of the father, and normally the eldest boy in the family takes the leadership of the family. So he is proposed by the old people of the house. Now, what type of family? It's a extended family. This it's a different between joint family and extended family. I think many of the tribes are so. They live in a place around, but they are independent. Even if you take some of the Indian tribes like Santals, no. The mother and father, they cook their own food. The boy and the daughter-in-law cook their own food. But they are around the place. And sometimes they are one clan, one village, there is somebody heading them. The same clan. So something similar. Most of the tribes in the world have got more similarity. Okay. Now, it's a chance for us to know about tribals, though not Indian. We have got so many tribes also in India, but we have got a tribe of Africa. Okay. There are many things similar. Now, they use a drum which the boys have to learn. This beating of the drums is formed in such a way they use the beating of the drum to learn language. Also, this drum is used in other ceremonies, rituals. Okay. Now, what are the girls do? Girls, they work in the field, bring what is necessary for the family, like they bring in water, they be busy in cooking, help the mothers take care of the house. These are the works of the girls. And these are some of the details given in this lesson, just one page only. So very short and sweet. Okay, we'll go to the question answer also so that we complete them and it's easy for you to study. Comprehension page number 22. Complete the following sentences. The Ashanti are a major ethnic group of the Akans. I wrote here already. They are the major ethnic group of Akans. There are so many ethnic groups within a tribe, and there are so many brother tribes. Okay, it's very peculiar to tribal, especially in Africa. It's a fully tribal continent. There are so many countries with so many groups of tribal people. Sometimes they fight with each other also. Okay, now we go to the second one. The Ashanti names for spirit and for flesh and blood are Notere, Notoro, and Mugia, respectively. Is that your book? Is a African language of the Ashanti group. Fill up with over. Now B section, answer the following questions. What is unique about how the Ashanti learn their language? Unique thing is they learn their language beating the drums. Okay. Which means drums are used to learn their languages. Second one, what is the significance of the talking drum? Apart from the use of the drum for talking, they are used in the rituals. Okay, in some ceremony spreading news, even in India, you have got this practice. Then third question, what are Ashanti girls taught? What are their responsibilities? They are taught to cook, bring water, maintain the house and work in the field. 4 points you can write. Fourth question, why are Ashanti children considered closer to their mother's glands? It is because they think they receive the flesh and blood of the mother. Fifth question, although a tribe from a distant land, do you see any similarities between the Ashanti way of life and yours? Already I told you the tribals in the whole world have got more similarities. So they may have more similarities with the Indian tribal groups. But other than that, in general, you've got a country of almost 70 years old like we Indians, like the modern India, the independent India is also young, like them, but we are developed because of our ancient civilization. We have many kingdoms, regional rulers. Okay. Now, what are other similarities between India and this Ashanti life? Regarding the girls do the household works, sometimes agricultural works, small ones, like vegetable or cutting something that. Then they are going to bring water. So it's more similar. And men go out, they understand culture, celebrations and so on. So it's more similar. Then use of drums for spreading news. We also use in many part of India. Drums. We use more drums for many rituals also. Okay. Like in Bengal, kirtans. They hold it, sing, beating the drums. And every region of India got every different kinds of drums. There are hundreds of them in India, drums type. Each tribe is having different type of drums also. So, would you agree to learn, sixth question, would you agree to learn a skill of your father's choice? From your place, if I answer, yes, I should agree or you should agree. Because you are young, you are learning. So, learn the father's work at home. Okay, they are always busy doing this, help them out, learn them. Nothing wrong in learning the father's skill or job. But as you grow up, you are convinced that this is good for you, suiting you, it tallies with your ideology, you can carry on. Otherwise, you can skip. Okay, but time being, I think you should agree. You can agree. Also, we can't think of very, very big things and different things. Okay, so better agree. If you disagree, it's no problem. Okay, because you may not have any interest or likeness or attraction towards the job your father is doing. But still, you can't go for job now. So better join your father now. Good. Now, section C, choose the meaning that best explains how each word has been used in the passage. Thus I say the answers only. For 1, B. For 2, A. For 3, C. For 4, A. For 5, B. For 6, B. That's all. Comprehensive writing letter. Please do it. It's your homework. And conversation is left to you. It's not a must. So with this, we end up this lesson. Thank you.